Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to fix Telegram crashing problem, and now let's dive right in. Now to fix Telegram crashing problem, we can go through 2 or 3 steps to solve what's causing the error. So in order to proceed, first open up your settings of your phone, because guys, if your Telegram app is crashing, you might want to try some fixes from the settings of your phone itself. So after opening your settings, go to the app section over here, which is above the location, and over here tap on app management and search for Telegram by tapping on the search bar at the top, and open Telegram over here. And now from over here guys, we can try to clear cache and force stop the Telegram. So in order to clear cache, tap on the storage usage over here, and over here you can see you might want to clear out your cache if it's too much by tapping on clear cache, and a memory of the Telegram will be lighter. And go back and try again to open a Telegram app on your phone. It might solve the crashing. And let's go back. Another thing you can try, force stop the Telegram. So if it's crashing, it will force stop the Telegram and it will restart. So tap on the force stop and tap on force stop again, and then your Telegram app will force stop and restart it. That might solve the crashing problem guys. And if that doesn't help guys, try checking for an update on the Play Store. It might be because Telegram is freezing because it requires an update. So search for Telegram on Google Play Store like this, and currently you can see there is the open button available. But if in your case, if there was an update, you might want to update your Telegram. That might also solve the Telegram freezing. And with that being said guys, if even if you tried everything, it's not solving the crashing problem, try uninstalling the Telegram app from the device. Try uninstalling it and reinstalling it by going through the uninstall process over here, or you can just simply uninstall it from the settings of the phone. Go to apps, search for Telegram under app management again, and over here you can see the uninstall button available for us. Tap on uninstall and reinstall the Telegram from the Play Store, and that will fix your Telegram crashing problem guys, but you will be required to sign in from the first. And with that being said guys, this is how to fix Telegram crashing problem. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.